I always get asked about money saving tips on HMOs, so let me just show you a few. So, when you're looking to save money, you're always looking on the electric and gas mainly. Water is uncontrollable unless you're on a meter. The council tax is uncontrollable, it's managed by the council. The biggest things are heating and electric, so gas and electric. Let's go to electric. Hallway. PIR sensors. As you walk up the stairs, that picks up yourself walking up and down. That'll turn on, turn all these spots on. After a period of time, that'll turn off. That's one money saving tip on electric. Tip number 2. Lights. Make sure all your lights are LEDs. That'll save you more electric. Gas. First things, have you got TRVs on your radiators? This will allow the tenants to turn them up and down. But I will start these off 3.5 or 4. Don't forget, when they're hot, make sure that all the radiators hot. Don't allow cold top, warm bottom. If so, bleed the radiator. Most times on the end, which here you'll see your bleed nipple will fit here. That is where it comes out of, so make sure it's not firing in your face. Put a jug under there, turn your bleed nipple slowly. Don't let this section unscrew. If it does, you need to tighten that at the same time. But unscrew this, let the air come out. Once it blows water, turn that back on. Don't forget to top your boiler pressure up.